What's up, guys? How is everyone today? I have the music on. Let me know if it's too loud or if you can hear it through there, just so I don't have to listen to dead nothing. How's everybody doing, man? Looks like we may get a little pump here, possibly, huh? Good deal. I can listen to music and not make it annoying to you guys. That's all good. I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour real quick. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and tick the notification bell. I will be doing the free t-shirt giveaway on tomorrow's video. It looks like, man, I don't know. I kind of want to put a trend line right there. And let's see, one crossed here. Hold on, I'll be in the chat in a second, guys. I'm just trying to see what's going on. I haven't really been looking at it. It actually looks like we might be having a little breakout here. See how this plays out. What's up, Bitcoin Broke? Leo, John, Naeem, Crypto Nad, D Sager from the UK. What's up? What's up, Shazam? Cindy, how are ya? K Jake. Got the notification? Yeah, guys, make sure your notifications are on. I've been getting a lot of people saying they're not getting notified when my videos go out. So just double check that. Make sure you got the all clicked on the notification. What's up, GX? Pioka. After midnight in Poland. Damn. Still up? What's up, David? Stan. Reg. Henry. Wolfpack. So, anyways, man, a lot of anger brewing in this space lately, huh, guys? Like, a lot of anger. The Discord still down? No, I don't think so. I actually, I pulled it up here, so I wanted to let everybody know. For the crown, hey, Savvy, been a while since I've tuned in. Good to see you. Good to see you, man. What's up, Paul? Hamlet? Hamlet, it wasn't 50K, it was 46K, dude. And I'm not retiring anytime soon. If you recall, there was people calling 100K and whatever. I mean, come on, dude. Get a life. Must suck to just run around and troll your whole life. GX said, love the last call out on the hater. Right on, man. But anyway, if you guys don't belong to the Discord, check it out. There's a link below in the description. It's totally free. Great community. There's always people in there. Lots of different chat rooms, trading rooms, all kinds of stuff in there. Definitely check it out, guys. K Jake, what's up? What's up, Josh? So anyways, this is what I'm still looking at, guys. Obviously, we still got a little bit of room. We could drop more. But this is the target as of now, right around the 78.80. That's going to be the the neckline of this, if this does end up being a Adam and Eve. So 78.80 is my target now. But like I said, we could come back down to, let's go into the 1 hour. Let's look at this too. This will be our next area of resistance. Going to be about right here. Let me move this over. It's going to be right there around the 7,600. We might get some resistance. And then obviously my target still from this morning's around that 7,700 above that. But then the ultimate target is right here. That's what I'm looking for, the 78.80. Love your channel. You're the man. Thanks, Reg. Paul Wells, no anger, just waiting for a little drop to fill the gap above us for Monday. Savvy for president. Crypto Dave Jr., 46K coming one day. I'm pretty sure we'll see it next year, man. I think the next mega move will far exceed a lot of what people think is possible. I think the very same thing, D-Sagger. Ugly Old Goat seems to think the same, too. Henry, what cancels the Adam and Eve? Well, for one thing, it's not really even an Adam and Eve yet, unless we touch this 7880. And what confirms it is what you want to ask. What confirms it is a break of it, come back down, test it for support, and continue on up. So most likely when it breaks, we'll come back down to the neckline, and if we get a bounce there, that's confirmed, then we should get our higher target there. Daniel Soto, 6K by next week. You must be a Chico fan. What's up, Edward Park? Anthony, what's up, bro? Wolfpack movement, I agree. Good feeling towards a greatly positive future. For sure, man. I'm balls to the wall, bullish as hell for the long term, for sure. He's just a teleprompter reader boy. Do you think 8K in the next 3 to 9 days? It's possible for sure. If you go into the... And that's only if the Adam and Eve plays out. But let's go to the daily real quick. Yeah, if we look at the daily, we got to get past this resistance of 7,700 first before looking any higher. But yeah, we could definitely get up to the 8K in the next few days for sure. Definitely possible. Hope he gets his ass beat. Crypto Face thinks so. Are you going to take a look at Litecoin, Savvy, if it's cool with you? Yeah, I can take a look at Litecoin. Let me pull up a chart. Litecoin. I have not looked at Litecoin, so... And... obviously, this has got to be moved up, right? Yeah, I don't know. It all depends on Bitcoin here, brother. Put some shit on here. Yeah, no, I would just... if Bitcoin gets a pump here today, we need to get over this trend line before we go anywhere. And that's going to be, as of right now, for the next few hours, going to be around the $45 range. If we can break that, we're good. If not, we're most likely coming back down to this 42. Actually, maybe a little bit lower. About 40... around 40, between the 40 and 41, if we can't break above the top of this channel here. That 55 EMA is probably going to be key to break above it and get support on the 4 hour, and that's going to be around the $46 range. Long term is way better, less headache, for sure, man. So, for this weekend, as of right now, I know people are saying if we go up, we have a gap, have to fill the gap, blah, 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 whatever. Who's bullish right now for the weekend? I mean, who thinks we're going to get up around that 7,700 range? Give me a 1 if you think we do. Give me a 2 if you don't think we're going to. Paul Wells, it looks like it's doing what you say it's going to do, Savvy. Have you checked lately how far assay from gold we were? Yeah, we're way off from the gold chart, man. 1. Oh, Edward Park, thanks for going down. Anthony is 3, no clue, right? Might get closer, touch it. Lower in weekend, higher after Monday. I don't know. I think it's a possibility this weekend we might break that 7,700 and come back down to test it before the end of the weekend. It's definitely possible. But seeing the amount of bulls makes me think that the market's not deflated enough yet. That's true. I mean, just like, you know, I pointed this out yesterday morning's video. I think I was the first one to put this out there, and now it just seems like everybody's talking about it, so there may be too many people looking at it. Try to straighten this out a little bit. Zoom out, Savvy. How far are we from the last moving average? Paul, in what time frame? I'm on the 4-hour time frame. I don't use moving averages. I use exponential moving averages, but I'll put my moving averages on there. Whoops. Yeah, I guess I keep the volume on there too. But yeah, we're sitting right on top of the 8 EMA here in the 4-hour. Guys, make sure you smash the like button. Doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. Just a reminder. There you go. Golden cross of the 50-week and 100-week MA is looking very likely. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people talk about that. The 200 EMA on the 4-hour is going to be around the 78.50 range, which if we get a push up, it's going to line up with this neckline here. Actually, that neckline is going to be down just a little bit. It's actually 78.70 area is the neckline. There we go. It will cross tomorrow close. Nice. Looking for moves in the second week of January. All right. What's up, Josh Grubber? Tim J, how you doing, man? Thanks for smashing a like, GXB. I do appreciate that. We have a lower MAS and 4-hour to bounce off of. What level's that on the 150 MA 4-hour? I use the 8, the 13, the 21, and the 55, and the 200. So we are sitting on the 8 as of right now. I'll zoom in so you can see it. Let me dim down this green a little bit. Dim it down over here. And there we go. But yeah, we're sitting on the 8 EMA right now. What's up, Miss Archie? 14-day-old baby. All right, Anthony. Have a good one, brother. Thanks for stopping in, man. I think the margin trading sites just keep pushing direct longs or shorts to profit. Yeah, man, that's... Look at Forex and stuff, man. It's just how it works, dude. Don't get on that. Don't believe the hype of that's what's hurting Bitcoin. It's not hurting Bitcoin. It's creating a hell of a lot of liquidity for Bitcoin is what it's doing. Miss Archie, you think it's going down that low, huh? Let's go into a smaller time frame. Let me go back to this one. Let's go to the 15-minute. We did come off this trend line, pop through, and we're getting support on it now, right where all the EMAs are tied up in the 15-minute. Let's see how this reacts. Flip a coin. Could you look at BAT to Bitcoin? Yeah, I could do that. I'll look at it in this one. BAT. let me see. Where's Bakkt to Bitcoin? Do I see it on here? Basic attention. See it on Binance. We'll look at that. Well, technically we made a higher low, but still, let me go out. Let me zoom out a little bit to the daily. That actually looks kind of bullish. We may drop down a little bit more. If we look at that as a correction, pull out the... I don't even want to use the fibs. Let me do it the simple way. If we simply go from here, it looks like Bakkt is most likely going to come down a little bit more and then up from here. I think it'll get a bounce. Michelle Davis, thanks for the tip. I appreciate that. Let's put it up here. That's the target for Bakkt. If you ask me, it's going to come down here. It should get a bounce around that area. I'm going to double check it on the fibs too and see if that lines up with Fibonacci retracement. And it does. That's right in the golden pocket zone. Imagine that. That's most likely where it's going to hit, man. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Even Nick is leaning more bullish. Nice. But yeah, definitely, I expect Bakkt to come back down here. And that lines up perfectly with the... It actually lines up perfect with the 0.65 Fibonacci. That golden pocket zone right there somewhere. VeChain? I don't even watch VeChain. What's the ticker? I'll pull it up. Like I said, I don't really care for shitcoins, guys, but I'll look it up if you guys want to look at them. No problem, David. Give me the ticker for VeChain, if that's what you want to look at. I guess I'll wait. Is my thing lagging that bad or something today? Vet. All right. Do you want it VeChain to Bitcoin? Obviously. Bitfinex. See if I can find it. Binance. Vet to BTC. So far, it actually looks kind of bullish here on the daily, guys. We had all the EMAs crossed. The 55 just crossed the 200. It actually looks kind of bullish, I must say. I do think it's going to drop down soon, though, but I don't think it has to go all that far. Let's take a look real quick. It's definitely forming what seems to be a rising wedge. Put this in here real quick. If it does fall out of this wedge, which I'm not too sure it is, it may continue up and do one more leg up, but I will put a target down here. If it breaks this leg, most likely get a bounce down here. But like I said, it could come back up for one more leg up here, and that's going to be somewhere most likely right in this zone right here. So that's what I'd watch for. If you fall out of this zone pretty soon, most likely headed down in here. If we get one more leg up, come up in here, and then I believe there'll be a correction after that. If we do get this leg up here, the correction would be somewhere in... Oh shit, wrong damn thing. Sorry, guys. Yeah, then the correction might be back down in the 62 sat zone. If we do get that next leg up there, which is possible, could end up forming like a cup and handle here maybe. And I have to wait and see. Bitcoin's stuck at the moment. Miss Archie said VeChain doing things. Josh Grubber said he flipped a coin. It's a bull. Nice. Paul Wells, is there a channel or what's above? Above what? You talking about VeChain? Now it definitely looks like that's getting ready to form a, like I said, it looks like it's getting ready to form a wedge there. Rising wedge. But if the market turns bullish, I mean, could get a move up. But if you look at the RSI here, it actually looks like it's ready to come back down. What I would do if you're doing anything with this, just draw some trend lines on these right here, and watch for a break of this in the RSI with a close. That is what I would do. If BTC is good to us, then VeChain might. It's possible. What is the blue line from BTC? I don't understand what you're asking. Going to move this out of the way. Where's that? How did my 4-hour chart go? Oh, this is my 4-hour. I got it on 15-minute. Let's look at the RSI on the 4-hour. You guys can tell what's going on there. I'll change the color of this line. It's right there. This looked like a wedge here on Bitcoin. This is the 4-hour chart. We may stay in this channel, come back down, one more push down if we don't bust up here. Little Miss Bakster, Savvy, thanks for another live stream. You are a super rock star. Hugs to Mrs. Savvy. Thanks, Little Miss Bakster. Does that look bullish to you then, with most lining up for a push, Paul Wells? Depends on what we get right here. I mean, technically, this line broke already. But we are in the 4-hour. We do have a half-hour to push back up. This may drop back down here, guys, and test this trend line right here. Don't forget to smash likes. Also, I want to remind you guys, while you are in here, don't forget to check out my wife's webpage. The link is down below in the description, with some other affiliate links down there that help the channel out, including the Brave browser, hardware wallets, some trading exchanges, and you can get some free crypto on some of the stuff down there. But definitely check out our webpage. This is where you'll be picking the t-shirt tomorrow, whoever wins the free t-shirt. But there's aluminum signs. Those are pretty cool if you haven't seen them. But you can put anything you want on any of this stuff. She's also got hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, keychains, some metal bottle openers, all kinds of different stuff. You just have to hit her up and ask her. She's also doing Bitcoin ornaments. If you want to order a Bitcoin ornament, just hit her up on the contact. She'll send you pictures of them. They're not on the webpage yet, so check it out. So anyways, the big picture, I'm still looking at this. It actually does not look bad. Still puts us at a higher low, though, don't you think, on the 4-hour? Are you talking about Bitcoin right here? I actually think Bitcoin I don't think it looks unhealthy here, guys. It actually looks pretty damn good with the ways that the EMAs are set up and everything. We gave you 20 BAT. That's a good token, you must admit, because you can trade for Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't have nothing against BAT. I think BAT's a great idea. There must be a bunch of people that tip me on there, because every month I get BAT tokens, and most likely it's from people donating them on the Brave browser. Those of you that don't know, or if anybody hasn't tried it yet, I definitely suggest you try the Brave browser. There's a link to it below in the description. That's what I use for all my charting. Before Brave, I was using just regular Chrome, and I tried Firefox. Every time I would have too many charts open and doing a live stream or recording a video, my mouse would be really laggy. But with Brave, I have zero lag. I don't have to watch commercials. I love it. Yeah, Paul, it does look pretty bullish short term for sure. I'm going to look at the daily real quick. Was that supposed to be? No, this is the daily. How the hell do I got this all messed up here? Confusing myself, man. But yeah, the daily, we're getting support here on the 13 EMA and getting resistance on the 21 EMA. That is on the daily here. See what happens. Word spout, I'm on Brave now. It's great. Yeah, I love it. It's a great freaking idea, man. Especially to reward you with Brave tokens, man. Anyone that's not doing it, it's kind of crazy, because all you have to do is, every once in a while when you're on the internet, turn your ads on and they pay you to watch freaking ads. And people say, what are you going to do with BAT tokens? If you don't want to keep them, just swap them into Bitcoin. It's free. Greetings, Naples, is it? From Italy? Where is everyone at? Where's everyone from in here? I like to see where everybody's coming from. Brave Wallet uses Uphold Wallet, free crypto. Yeah, that's correct. Is Bitcoin going to boom by New Year's? I hope so. We'll see. It's kind of at a crazy spot right now. Greek, Colorado, Gainesville, Netherlands, Greece. Man, Greece is beautiful. I went to Athens and Crete Island 2 years ago, I think it was. It was awesome. St. Louis, but currently in Arizona, Canada, Boston, Southern Cali. I'm from UK, Netherlands, Arizona, Norway. Damn, people all over the world, man. That's awesome. I am curious to see. This daily close isn't looking the greatest, but I guess it's not horrible either at the same time. If we close up here, it's actually not bad at all, really. How's the weekly gonna look? This is gonna be a pretty fun week to watch the close. Oh, shit. Louisiana, Arizona, UK, Louisiana, Germany, New Mexico. I got 20 free BAT for loading an iOS app and gave them to Savy. Much appreciated, word spout. Wow, that's global, and good to meet you guys. Good to meet all you guys, man. That's why I do the live stream, so the community can just get together and, not spread a bunch of FUD like most all other channels. Just, get out of the hype and the FUD and craziness for a little bit. The Tim J creating higher lows in the short is great signs, but unless we break 78, that would not get too excited. Yeah, for sure, man. Got to break the old high over here. Come to Bulgaria? Possibly. What's up, Sean? Live stream is great for connecting, for sure, man. Did I pull up the news? See what? Let's refresh this. What kind of news are they talking about? Bitcoin volatility up, liquidity stagnant, analysis, Bitcoin price bottom is close, bullish reversal. Not a whole lot of news on the weekend, especially today for some reason. We close in 14 minutes, guys. Are we going to end up breaking out of this or no? Actually, we did wick out of it. That should be down here. Like this. Good possibility we bounce up out of this. Unless this 4-hour candle drops too much more, then we may be headed down for a bit. Damn, got quiet in here. Is the chat broke? Or are you guys just chilling? Thanks, Reg. Smash the likes, people. Don't forget. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This is just a live stream. We're just kind of hanging out. But I do daily updates every single morning. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. Edward's eating. What you eating, man? 21's still holding. 13's holding on the 4-hour. What the hell was I looking at a minute ago? Yeah, 13's still holding right now. We're chilling. Nice. Elon Musk sent a cryptocurrency wallet to space the other day. I seen somebody say something about that. I didn't hear anything about it like official, but I have seen people talk about it. Hey, Savy, still any chance of the BTC gold comparison workout? Nah, man, that went out. I talked about that like a month and a half ago. It was too out of whack. I still think, I mean, I'm still bullish as hell on Bitcoin. I mean, for long term, especially. Refer to profile pic. Refer to, what are you talking about, Little Miss Begster? Refer to profile pic. Tim J, by the way, loved your tweet to Crypto Chico, rips Ripple and XRP. A new one, busted myself laughing. Yeah, man, that's that. I'm not even gonna go there. I'm just sick of dude trying to stir up the pot in the crypto community. I mean, he's fucking poison, man. The dude's absolutely poison. Grilling steaks for the fam and watching Savy. Nice, Andre. Steak sounds good as shit right now. Wordspout said Bitcoin 12 to 14K late May of 2020. Chilling. Oh, reefer. Gotcha. End of year Bitcoin price prediction. I ain't gonna even make one. Everybody cries. But if we break this 90, if we break the top of this channel here, end of the year, shit. We could get to 14 by the end of the year. Maybe even break that. I mean, if we get a killer rally, it'd have to be something fierce. But before we talk about that, let's break this top trend line. And just remember, guys, we still have these lower targets if this fails on this push up here. You know, if we get rejected at this 200 EMA here at the 4 hour, it could be ugly. But we got a lot of room in here still. Any trading books you recommend? There's some PDF files. There's the Wyckoff method. There's free PDF on the internet. You can download it, read it. I really suggest Wyckoff. Drinking tea, wife knitting, watching Savy. Nice, Sean. James Allen said, think got one leg down yet before the rally up. Possible. Thing is good as old and taking a long time to get where it is. BTC has had 10 years, and when we break 20K, there's no trading from there. No shit, just hold on for the ride, right? Spend holiday money on Bitcoin. Red pill, yeah, Wyckoff. If you type in Wyckoff method in Google, even if you spell it wrong, it'd be right, but I believe it's WYCKOFF. You can look up Elliott Wave and stuff too, but like I said, I used to trade Elliott Wave. I don't anymore. I think it's horrible for predicting anything. It's good for after the fact. That's about it. Video, what's up? What book did you recommend? Wyckoff? Wyckoff, that's his name. And it's the Wyckoff method. It's WYCKOFF. It's a PDF file. You can look it up. It's free on the internet. Or you can go buy the book, the Wyckoff method. That's probably, in my opinion, one of the best trading methods there is. It actually explains the market and what the market's doing and why it does what it does. It's an awesome theory. Much better than Elliott Wave, in my opinion. Mr. Magic, always one leg down to go. I hear that since June. Reading about dojis and candle patterns at the moment. Yeah, that's good too. All that stuff. I mean, everything, as much as you can take in, as much as you can learn. What I do suggest, though, is not using a whole shitload of indicators, man. Get good at a few. You know, try a bunch out. See what ones work for you. But too many indicators will really screw you up, in my opinion, too. Yeah, let me see if I can pull it up on Google. There should be a PDF file. Let me see if I can get the PDF up. This is the Wyckoff method right here. There's a tutorial. Yeah, right there. Wyckoff method PDF. It's free for the download right here. Bunch of good information in it. There's actually more than that too. There should be. Oh, that's the final one. But yeah, there's more. There's a bunch of PDFs on it. So definitely check it out. Here's a better one, I think. Let me see. Yeah, Wyckoff method. There's a bunch of them in here, but check it out. That's totally free. I mean, it's easy, quick access. And like I said, I think it's a excellent place to start for sure. Paul Wells said that looks like a big Adam and Eve to me. Looks like one to me too, but remember, until it confirms, can't really say that. It's just really looking like it. Hey, Savvy, praying all is well tonight. What's up, Tales of the Crypto? Dude, hey, what's up, man? Did you see that, Spiritual Audiobooks? Thank you so much for sharing the knowledge. Right on, man. The Eve part is still forming. Yes, it is. The confirmation of another low will be breaking down past this low here, which would be around the 70.80. What's up, dude? What will make it break the Adam and Eve? Basically right now I think breaking that 70.80, I would say it's definitely not an Adam and Eve at that point. How long do we got to close? 5 minutes. Let's go into the 4 hour and see how it's looking. Crypto Zombie, thanked you on air this evening for pointing out the Adam and Eve pattern. Yeah, I hit him up on Telegram and thanked him for that, man. He always, whenever he pulls up someone's stuff, he never claims it for himself. He's always, he's pretty honest about that stuff. Crypto Zombie is one of the very few YouTubers I have respect for, honestly. He's a good dude. He's an actually down-to-earth good guy, man. I've actually hung out with him. He's an awesome guy. So that's a long way up for the next move. Bitcoin broke. You like him too? Hold on a second, guys. All right. Phone's going off. Chris, I have none for him. Dude's got a screw loose. Something's wrong with that guy, Chris. Edward Park, cool dude. I'm glad I hung out with you both. Yeah, Edward hung out with us that day out in Cleveland. I still need to meet up with you. I haven't made it out that way in Indiana, Edward, in a while yet. Thanks, Paul. Much appreciated. Bitcoin broke. Savvy, my kid's in the ICO. Just if I could get some prayers from the cryptocurrency family, that would kick ass. His name's Easton. Guys, can you send some prayers out to Bitcoin Broke's kid? And his name's Easton. Send your prayers out, man. I hope he's all right. Bitcoin Broke, what's going on, bud? Actually, hit me up in the on the Discord instant message. So you don't have to. Dude subscribed. Thanks for the subscription, dude. Data Dash is good. Yeah, I never really watched Data Dash too much. But yeah, he's not a controversial jackass like some of these guys. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some I'll definitely throw it in my prayers, man. Shit. Can you pull up Litecoin? Yeah, I had it up a little bit ago. Here we go. Litecoin actually looks like it wants to pop up here, and I'm expecting Bitcoin most likely to do the same thing. I definitely could be wrong here, but it really looks like unless we come back down and test this channel first, guys, which that could be a possibility. We come down and test this channel and hang out here, and then Sunday night, Monday, start heading up. Keep an eye on the 74.87 range. If we drop below that, it might get ugly. Bitcoin broke. His flap that closes lungs from esophagus don't work. Damn, bro. So when we feed him, he got liquid in his lungs. Definitely sending prayers out, brother. Jeb, Canfield, Crown. Yeah, man, them guys aren't. You know, there's only two guys which are shitcoin shillers that I really can't stand right now. And there's probably more of them, or just two that really are arrogant and full of themselves, and they got some issues, man. Never watched Kraken crypto. But we have closed, guys, and opened a new candle here. So let's put this trend line in. Maybe watch this for a couple minutes. We may come down to test this 74, 75 area, which would be the 13 EMA, and go up from there. If not, then we may be coming down to test this somewhere back in the 7,300 range. But honestly, it looks pretty strong. Still not too worried about it. Let me go into the 1 hour. One hour. Savvy 10 years ago, I buy 10 silver coins from Max Kaiser with his head. He was selling silver coins with his head. I was predicted this guy's gonna stay in the history. He was talking about Bitcoin. Nice. Spiritual audiobooks. Crypto Crown and Savvy are the best. Simple and clear TA. Thank the God above. Yeah, much love, Bitcoin broke. Seriously, man. If you need to talk, you know, on Discord and shit, get a hold of me, man. Streaming into this channel for the first time looks very informative. Saksham, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is just kind of a hangout time right now. I do daily updates every morning. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. I do post every single morning. On the weekends, sometimes it's a little bit later. I sleep in and try to get some other stuff done, but all week, they're pretty early in the morning. My time. Bitcoin broke. They fixed that. My sister's kid had the same thing at birth. Good luck. It's amazing what the medical field can do today, man. Let's watch this on the 1 hour and see if it breaks this trend line here. Actually, the 21 EMA too, I would expect that to hold. Right on, man. Oh yeah, Saksham. Definitely join the Discord. It's an awesome group of people in there. Free link below the description. Totally free. That's something else I wanted to talk about. The groups that charge you the Discord to go to their Discord and stuff, I guess it ain't bad if it's $5-10 or whatever. Some of them charge ridiculous amounts, and then they say so and so in my group made, you know, 300%, acting like it's because it's them. It's not them. It's because whoever made that trade made a good damn trade. It has nothing to do with whose channel they're in. We have people that make excellent trades in our channel. We have people that make bad trades just like the other ones, but they won't tell you about the bad trades. Hey, CryptoSavy, greetings from Germany, Berlin. Keep up the hard work. Where are you from? I am from the Midwestern part of the United States. Eternal. No one is buying Bitcoin, just whales pumping and dumping. It had become stagnant, very dangerous sign for investors in crypto. If you say so. To each their own. It's a bit, if it's like that, Which way we gonna go, guys? If you guys could hear this music I'm listening to, you'd crack up. It's like some mixture thing, and I had to do it on copyright free just in case it could be heard, because YouTube will throw a copyright infringement at you. Renee Montenegro. Bitcoin looking good, Savy. A bot, not bit. Okay. It's a bot if it's like that. Gotcha. That makes a little more sense. See something real quick, just for the hell of it. $78. You look at this as a flag, which is possible, I suppose. The measured move off of that, if we were to break up in the next couple hours, would be right in line with the old high over here, right around 78.59. Wouldn't that be interesting? See a nice shoot up. Bitcoin broke. My prayers go out to you and your family. Thanks, Edward. If Bitcoin doesn't stop blue balling me, then I'm gonna be in trouble. Pumping Matic now and Raven, they'll be back soon. The whales are pumping Matic and Raven now, they'll be back soon. As soon as they dump it on everyone. Alright, guys. I might be in the Discord for a little bit tonight. I think my wife should be home here pretty quick, so I'm gonna hang out with her for a while when she gets home from work. And yeah, appreciate it, guys. Bitcoin broke. I definitely keep your son in my prayers, man. I hope everything goes all right. Like I said, the medical field is amazing these days, the things they can do. So I definitely keep you in my prayers, bro. Like I said, get a hold of me anytime. You know how to contact me. And everybody else, thanks for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links down below. I have some trading links down there that you can sign up for and get some bonuses. But do not trade high leverage and don't put in more than you're willing to lose. If you listen to them two things, you'll be all right. Make sure you use stop losses if you're trading. And money management. Don't get crazy. Also, don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. Thanks a lot for everything, guys. Like I said, she's got some other stuff on here too now. Or not on here. You just got to hit her up in the contact. She's got some Bitcoin Christmas ornaments and stuff to hang or whatnot. So check it out. Hit her up in the contact. She'll tell you the stuff that she doesn't have on here, like the hoodies and that. Appreciate everything, guys. You guys rock. And I am out of here.